welcome and welcome back to the channel. For today's video, I am gonna be making honey garlic lemon chicken. So I went ahead and washed my chicken off camera. So whenever I'm about to season my chicken, I always have like a mark, like I do like full marks going across, like one down and one across, so that way the season can go in it very well. So for today's dinner, I'm going to be pairing the chicken thighs with some vegetable rice. So let's get on seasoning this chicken. Alright guys, so the first thing first we're going to do, we're going to drizzle some olive oil on there. That much. And then second thing, I'm going to add some crushed ginger and garlic. So I've crushed like 3 garlic cloves and like a piece of ginger. So sorry for the noise, just in case. Alright, next I'm gonna go in with my onion powder. I'm gonna leave, I don't use measurement, but I'm gonna leave some type of measurement in the description box. So that was the onion powder. Going in with some basil, oregano, some cilantro. I don't know why I pronounce it like that, but just a little bit like that. We have some, where's my rosemary? Rosemary over here. There she goes. Here she goes. I'm just trying to open it up. Okay, this much. Okay. And we have some parsley. Just gonna sprinkle some parsley. That much. And I'm gonna go in with some garlic powder. Not too much, because I already have some fresh garlic, so I'm just gonna sprinkle a little bit like that. And then we're gonna go in with some black pepper. And for color, I'm gonna go in with some smoked paprika. Yeah, that much. So for my regular seasoning with salt, I'm gonna go in with some LAWRY seasoned salt, not too much. That much. Next, I'm gonna go in with some Cajun seasoning. It sounds like I said Cajun. That much. And I'm gonna go in with some chicken bouillon flavor. It doesn't say it because I put it in here. So that much. And next we are gonna go in with adobo all-purpose seasoning, no MSG. That much. And next I'm gonna go in with some pink Himalayan salt. That much. So I'm gonna go ahead and mix everything off camera, and I'm gonna be right back. Alright guys, so this is how the chicken look like after I season it. I'm gonna cover it and put it in the fridge and let it marinate for a couple of hours, and I'm gonna take it out. So while the chicken gonna be marinating, I'm gonna go ahead and prep my vegetable for the rice, and I'll take you guys along with. Alright guys, these are the rest of the ingredients I'm going to be using for my vegetable rice. So I have carrots, I have loose onion, I have a whole onion, garlic, green bell peppers, some cabbage. Alright guys, I'm about to put the chicken in the oven, and I'm going to let it bake for 40 minutes. So my chicken's going to bake on a 400 degrees oven. So yeah, I'm going to do that now. Bang. Alright guys, I'm about to start to cook my rice. So over here I have my vegetables that I showed you guys previously, and in here I have the rice. The water is soaking. So I soaked my rice for like an hour. It has been soaking for like an hour now, and I'm gonna go and wash it out. The reason why I soaked it is so that way it could be soft. Well, not soft, but it won't take me a long time to cook. So that's why I always soak my rice whenever I'm like making like jollof rice style. So I'll have to wash this out, and I'm using some tomato paste also too. It fell. I'm not gonna pick it up because it's hot over there. But yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead now and put the vegetable into the pot. Alright guys, so this is how the vegetable looks like in the pot. So I'm gonna I added 2 teaspoons of tomato paste for color. It's optional, you don't have to add tomato paste to it. And so I'm gonna cover this and let it cook for about 5 to 10 minutes, and after that I'm gonna wash my rice about 2 to 3 times, and then I'm gonna add it to the pot. Alright guys, here is the rice in the pot with the vegetable. When the vegetable was frying, I added 2 teaspoons of jerk seasoning to it, and I added a couple of thyme to it. So I just want to let you guys know I added that. So I'm going to go ahead now and mix it together. So the jerk seasoning changed the color. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and mix it now. Alright guys, so I'm going to be using these 2 seasonings to season my rice. This seasoning, you can get it from your local African market. So these are 2 different flavors. One is chicken flavor and one is shrimp flavor. And I'm gonna be adding some black pepper, and I'm gonna be adding some pink Himalayan salt. So these are the only seasoning I'm gonna be using for my rice. Alright guys, I went and added 1 stick of butter, unsalted butter to the pan. I'm gonna add my garlic in there now. I just put like one garlic clove, no, 2 garlic cloves actually. I'm doing 2 garlic cloves. I'm just gonna mix it in there because it's already covering garlic already. So I'm gonna let this fry for about, I don't know, 20 seconds because I don't want to burn it. And I'm gonna let it fry for 20 seconds, and then I'm gonna add the honey to it. So alright guys, I went and added the honey and the lemon. I squeezed half a lemon and added it. So I'm gonna just let it cook now, and I'm gonna add it to the chicken. I'm gonna glaze the chicken in there. So I'm just gonna keep stirring. It's cooking a very low to medium heat right now. So yeah. Alright guys, I took the rice from the pot and transferred it into a baking bowl. I'm gonna go ahead and put it in the oven and let it cook for 15 minutes, and I'm gonna take it out. Alright guys, this is the chicken after I glazed it. I'm gonna go ahead and put it in the oven for another 15 minutes, and it should be ready. Alright guys, this is the end of the video. This is how the chicken and the rice both came out looking like. Oh my god, it tastes so good. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Leave a comment in the comment section, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Be kind to each other and take care of yourself guys. Later.
Trippin' Aquafina, I'm sippin' 15, kept a weapon on me. Flow make bitches, I'm on my business, stack chicken like what it's gon' be. Crew in the cut, hey, you want us, red run when I tell a peace. Love is love. Love is love. Adios. Bendo with the switch again. Boy deliver like he heffin'.